Hey there, fellow gardeners. Have you ever looked at your garden and thought, how can I turn this stubborn clay soil into fertile ground where my plants will thrive? Well, today, I've got a game changer for you, mushroom compost. Yes, you heard that right. It's the secret ingredient that can transform your garden into a lush paradise. First off, let's talk about why clay soil can be such a pain. It's dense, it's heavy, and it doesn't drain well. When you dig into it, it feels more like you're trying to sculpt a pot than tend a garden. But don't worry, we're about to change that. So, what's the deal with mushroom compost? This isn't just any compost. It's the byproduct of mushroom farming and is loaded with nutrients. It's rich in organic matter and offers a well-balanced mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Plus, it's super affordable and readily available at most garden centers. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to use it. First, you want to start with a clean slate. Clear your garden bed of any debris or weeds. Next, spread a generous layer of mushroom compost over your clay soil. I recommend about 2 to 3 inches thick. Don't skimp on this step, the more, the merrier. Once you've got your layer of compost, it's time to mix it in. Use a garden fork or a tiller to blend the compost with your soil. Don't worry about getting it perfectly mixed. The goal here is to break up that clay and allow the compost to work its magic. Now, here's where the magic really happens. Mushroom compost does wonders for improving soil structure. It increases the soil's ability to retain moisture while also improving drainage. It's like giving your garden a high-tech irrigation system, but naturally. And here's a fun fact, mushroom compost has a neutral pH, which is perfect for most plants. It helps balance the acidity or alkalinity of your soil, creating an environment where plants can absorb nutrients more efficiently. But wait, there's more. Using mushroom compost not only benefits your plants but also supports the ecosystem in your garden. It encourages earthworms and beneficial microbes to thrive, turning your garden into a bustling biome of activity. So, you might be wondering, what kind of plants will benefit from this? The answer is almost any plant. Vegetables, perennials, shrubs, you name it. With improved soil, your plants will grow stronger and produce more vibrant blooms or bountiful harvests. Now, before you rush off to your local garden center, remember this, consistency is key. Keep adding mushroom compost every season to maintain that perfect soil structure. Your garden will thank you with flourishing plants year after year. So, are you ready to transform your garden? Give mushroom compost a try and watch your clay soil woes disappear. Trust me, your plants will love you for it, and you'll love the gorgeous results.